Hey y'all, here to do some more embellishing for my sewing journal. And I'm making these embellished paper clips. Aren't they cute? And I will show you how I did it. And on the back is lines. You can just take it out of your journal and journal on it and stick it back in. Get it to lay right. I got it backwards. There we go. And I'll show you what it looks like sticking on a page. Just clip it on. There we go. And then from the top. Adorable. All right, let me show you how I did it. All right, I have a 2-inch hole punch, and I punched out a circle from an index card. Let me put these out of the way. And then I have an Elmer's Extreme glue stick. Whoops. And I'm going to cover it, the back. And I don't care if I got the journaling lines up, down, sideways. And then I have some pattern paper. Just gonna rub it all and then just rip. And it doesn't matter if it covers it or not. I kind of like that jaggedy edge. Okay. Save that. You never know when you need it. I'm going to get all these off. My cat's in here sleeping on his back. He looks like a dead hippopotamus. He's a big fat orange cat named Stinky. All right, and we'll ink it up. I'm just gonna leave all those little bits. Both sides. All right, and we'll take it over to the sewing machine and do a zigzag stitch. And when I do a circle, I sew a little bit, lift the lever, turn, sew, lift, turn, like that. All right, be right back. All right, I'm back. Got it all sewn. There it is from the back. All right, and I'm gonna leave those strings because I like them. Okay, and I got this little piece of fabric, and I think I'm gonna do it with the arrow pointing up. And then this little piece of Tim Holtz paper. Let me free this. I love this fabric. Look at it, so cute. Get all these out of the way. Gotta get my vacuum up here. Let me ink this up. I'm gonna ink this up a little bit too, just to dirty it up. All right, I'm gonna put these two together first. That way I can pick it up and move it around. Get it straight, straightish. Okay. Put this onto the tag. Uh-oh. Pick it up. Oh, it's barely straight. All right, now I'm gonna pick out a quote out of this Tim Holtz Ideology Small Talk. Something that makes me think of sewing, I guess. Make it happen. I don't know if that'll fit on there. Make it happen, be amazed, stay strong, stay curious, take risks. I'm gonna do take risks. These are thicker than I thought they would be. I'm gonna ink this up. Take a risk and make that quilt or whatever. And I do quilt myself. I do a little bit of everything. And I almost put that on upside down. Even though it's a sticker, I like to glue it so I can move it around. This is a little bit crooked there. All right, now I'm gonna add an eyelet. And I have these little mini Stampin' Up! Eyelets. I'm gonna have to go back and add eyelets to those because I forgot, but I can do it. No big deal. All right. And I'm just gonna guesstimate at the hole. Not perfectly centered, but it's fine. There we go. Got the eyelet. Now I'm gonna add, these eyelets are crap. It's like they smush. Like, see how it did? I don't know if you can tell. Like it, I don't know, did some smushy thing. Didn't work too well. All right, paper clip. That one is bent. That one is bent. My gosh, what's wrong with these paper clips? All right. Got my button and my little thingamajiggy. Let me grab some pliers. Oh, they are. Get that through. Add my button. It'll go in. This is a thick one. Oh my gosh. I'll just put it on that side. Close up. Almost there. Let's add this. I've got glue all over my fingers. Getting there. I feel like I need to rush when I'm recording. Makes me nervous. I think I got it. Yes. All right. That is precious. I can't believe I didn't add the eyelets to those. I'm going to go back and do that. All right, let's trim these down. There we go. Cute, 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 cute. I love it. All right, guys, there's one more little element for the sewing journal. I'll be back for the next. Thanks for watching.